Okay, so behind a bumper on a Toyota Corolla, this is plastic. You can identify in the back of these bumpers, it tells you what it's made out of. Most of them are made out of ABS plastic. Behind your bumper cover, you have a reinforcement and an absorber. So this foam you see right here is called your energy absorber. When an impact happens, most of it gets absorbed by this. This tends to break or explode off the vehicle. This is your reinforcement bar. This will take most of the hit. It's actually bolted to the frame and rails right here. Actually, this is a unibody, so the whole frame is one piece. It's the unibody. So all of that is connected to down here. Underneath, you got these rails, which is, think of a unibody as our human body. You have the bones, and then you have layers upon layers of sheet metal, just like we do with muscle, tissue, and skin. But most new cars are conducted as a unibody. Good. These end rails are connected to your rear body panel, and your rear body panel has these brackets that your bumper holds onto. Your bumper also goes into these notches underneath the taillight bracket. Once, if the force is great enough and it damages your reinforcement bar, it will damage your rear body panel. So if you got a minor scratch, or somebody hit you and it's pretty minor, this thing ends up, the rear bumper ends up getting just scratched or indented with, license plate holes. Sometimes you could even end up with somebody else's license plate markings on your bumper. You always want to make sure that the damage underneath here, everything's okay. If you need these parts, they're easily accessible. ReadyCarParts.com. Our mission at Ready Car Parts is to help do-it-yourselfers and car enthusiasts get the job done by making auto body simple, professional, and affordable.